Often a teacher will notice that classrooms feel calmer when students develop stronger emotional and relationship skills. Your lessons are going to begin more smoothly. Students recover from frustration more quickly. Conflicts are often easier to solve. In this video, I want to connect social emotional learning to the classroom systems that support calm learning environments. Hi, I'm Marian from Engaging Curiosity, and I work with overwhelmed teachers to help build calm, predictable classrooms. Over time, I began realizing that emotional skills rarely develop through a single lesson. You know, that 1 hour a week that we have set aside. Those skills develop gradually through classroom routines and everyday experiences. For example, simple routines like reflection moments or conflict resolution conversations give your students repeated opportunities to practice communication and problem solving. In my classroom, this sometimes happened during snack or lunch when students needed help working through a disagreement. And those moments became quiet opportunities to practice listening, explaining what happened, and finding a solution together. Gradually, my students began approaching these conversations more calmly and independently, and hopefully and pleasantly. That's when social emotional learning becomes part of a larger classroom system. In the calm classroom framework, emotional awareness works alongside clear expectations, predictable routines, and supportive classroom relationships. Together, these elements help classrooms feel calmer and more predictable for both students and teachers. So if you'd like a simple starting point for building calm classroom systems, I've created a short guide called Calm Classroom Foundations Guide. I'll include the link to that in the first comment and the description. And if you'd like to explore the idea of this video more deeply, I walk through the full lesson in the video linked in the first comment and the description as well.